Many people have been thinking about the floods that happened in New Orleans, Louisiana. California officials are thinking about floods too. In the spring, heavy rains and melting snow add a lot of water to the lake behind the Folsom Dam. People believe too much water could breach the dam. Then the dam might break and flood the towns below the lake. A flood would be very dangerous for the people who live near the dam. They need to find a solution and way to keep the nearby towns safe. Senator Deborah Ortiz has an idea that might help. She wants to ask the state of California for funds to make the Folsom Dam 7 feet taller. Then the dam would be able to hold back more water. This would help keep the town safe from floods. Senator Ortiz is also asking the state to build new bridge across the water below the dam. Folsom Dam road is above the dam, and a lot of traffic once used the road. Right now, the road is closed. Most of the people who use the road every day are angry. They demand the road be opened again. A bridge would make it easier for people to get to the other side of the dam. Senator Ortiz hopes that the state will pay for these projects. She thinks they will protect Sacramento and make drivers happier.